Derrick, do you love these cookies?
Yeah, Vanessa. They sure are.
Very good.
Okay, class. Today we are gonna watch 2 math videos so you class can do math on your worksheets. The first video is about fractions.
In the last section, we learned how to convert succession based in fractions into decimals, and vice versa. Now we're going to learn how to convert any fraction into a decimal. And it turns out to be really simple. All you have to do is divide. Since a fraction is really just a division problem, if you go ahead and do the division, you get an answer. And that answer will be the decimal value of the fraction. Now there's 2 ways we can do the division. The easy way and the hard way. Now, just because I'm mean, we're going to start with that. Let's take the fraction 1 half and convert it into a regular division problem with this division symbol. Now what we have to do is follow the procedure for division. Just see how many times this 2 divides into this 1. This won't divide any times. 2 is very good. Looks like we're going to need some help. And that's the decimal values. May you remember that in the last section, we learned that 1 could be written as 1.0 or 1.00, 1.000, and its value is still 1. Let's try doing that here and see what happens. After the 1, the decimal and the 0 in the tenths place. Now our division problem looks like 10 divided by 2, and that's easy to do. The only difference is we have decimal place. Let's ignore the decimal and pretend that our problem really is 10 divided by 2. So 2 will go into 10 5 times, because 5 times 2 equals 10, and that leaves no remainder. So we're done. Not so fast. We've got that decimal point today. And we know that 5 can't be the answer because 5 is bigger than 1. We just need to include the decimal point in our answer for 2. We put it directly above the decimal point in our problem. Now our answer is 0.5, or 0, which is the proper way to write it. So by dividing, we figured out that the decimal value of 1 half is 0.5. So we're converting the fraction 3/4 by dividing. Of course, we start by rewriting our fraction like this. 3 divided by 4. And again, we run into the same problem. 4 is too big to go into 3. So it looks like we're going to need a decimal point here too. Let's put a decimal point after the 3 and a 0 in the tenths place to make 3.0. Now our problem almost looks like 3 divided by 4. Now, if you remember your multiplication table, you'll know that 4 goes into 30 7 times, because 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 leaves a remainder of 2. But we don't want a remainder, so let's keep going. 4 is too big to divide into 2, so the only way we can get rid of the remainder is to use another 0 in the hundredths place, which makes the number we're dividing up kind of look like 300. Now we can bring down that extra 0 to make the remainder look like 20. And 4 will go into 20 5 times, because 5 times 4 equals 20, and that leaves no remainder. Oh yeah. But don't forget, we need to include the decimal point in our answer. Now if you've kept your columns lined up like I have, you'll see that the decimal point goes right here, and that makes our answer 0.75. So the decimal value of 3/4 is 0.75. Alright, let's convert one more the hard way. Let's find the decimal value of 1/3 by dividing 1 by 3. Again, 3 is too big to divide into 1, so we'll need to use a decimal point and another 0, which makes our problem look like 10 divided by 3. That's easy. 3 goes into 10 3 times, because 3 times 3 equals 9, and that leaves a remainder of 1. Just like before, we don't want a remainder, so let's use another 0 so we can keep on dividing. And that gives us 10 divided by 3 again. Well, we know that 3 goes into 10 3 times, and leaves a remainder of 1. Huh. Still a remainder of 1. Well, it looks like we're going to need another 0. But that's just going to give us 10 divided by 3 again, which is going to give us another remainder. This looks like it might keep on going forever. Some fractions are like that. If you divide them, you'll see a repeating pattern of numbers that continues on forever. So the decimal value of 1/3 is 0.33333333, and 3's that keep on going forever. But since we can't keep writing 3's forever, we can just stop and round the number off. Or we can use this special symbol that means this number repeats forever. Alright, so all we have to do to convert a fraction into a decimal is divide. So far, we've been doing that the hard way. But now, we're going to do it the easy way. We're going to use a calculator. Let's try a couple with a calculator and see what we get. To convert 1/4, we just punch in 1 divided by 4, and we get 0.25. To convert 2/3, we just punch in 2 divided by 3, and we get 0. A whole lot of 6s. Looks like we have another one of those repeating decimals. Yep, this way's certainly easier and quicker too, but it's important to know how to do it both ways. The 5 fractions that we've just converted are so common that it's a good idea to memorize their decimal values. Here they are again so you can review them. 1/4 equals 0.21. 1/3 equals 0.33333. 1/2 equals 0.5. 2/3 equals 0.66666. And 3/4 equals 0.75.
Terrific. If we can fractions into the number space A and all the work that one minutes to check the symbol, if it can stack, it means go look for hint.
Did you class hear that? Rob said we are gonna do games too on the video. So let's get started, shall we? Oh. And Nestor? Be sure to do Khan Academy on your laptop. Okay.
Okay, Miss Smith, here I go now. Miss Smith, I did it. I better do some more and...
It's how you convert any fraction into a decimal. You just divide. And we already learned how to go the other way, to convert a decimal into a fraction, in the last section. So be sure to review it if you need to. In the next section, we're going to learn a few tricks that we can use to help us compare the values of fractions. But before that, a quick review. To convert any fraction to a decimal number, all you have to do is divide the top by the bottom. Usually, when you divide a fraction, you'll need to do decimal division. By using the decimals, you can keep writing zeros in the decimal number place and continue dividing until you have one remaining. Sometimes decimal division results in a pattern that keeps repeating. When that happens, you can draw a line over the repeating digits instead of writing them directly. Once you know how to do decimal division, I recommend that you convert fractions using a calculator since it's quick. And as always, be sure to do the exercises. And don't forget to practice dividing the hard way too, because if you're ever stranded on a deserted island without a calculator, you need to be able to do your math. To see more free math videos, visit us online at www.mathantics.com.
Oh boy, time to watch an algebra video now while I do some Khan Academy some more, ha ha ha.
This lesson things about a whole branch of math. The first thing you need to know is follows all the rules of arithmetic. It uses the same 4 main operations that arithmetic: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Algebra introduces a new element, unknown. When you are the only thing that was ever unknown was the answer. For example, you might have the problem, what plus 2? The answer isn't known until you go ahead and do the arithmetic.
Finally.
Miss Anderson. Who is this?
Kids, I would like you all to meet my new baby. And her name is Violet. And she was born in June 18, 2019. And that was last year.
Hi, Violet. Pleased to meet you.
And sometimes I give Violet a bath. Oh, what a cute girl you are, Violet. Whoa. Excuse you, Violet. And sometimes I take Violet to the park. So Violet, what do you think?
We should take care of her and I could babysit her anytime I want, but this is the best baby day ever in our life.